Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to sign in to Farmville 2 Country Escape using your player ID on your phone. If you're trying to recover your farm or access your progress on another device, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. First, open Farmville 2 Country Escape on your mobile phone and wait for the game to load completely. Next, tap the settings icon, usually represented by a gear symbol, and open the help or support section. Here, you can find your current player ID if you're already logged into the game, or use this section to contact support if you're trying to recover an older account. It's important to note that Farmville 2 Country Escape does not normally allow players to sign in directly using only a player ID inside the app. Instead, your game progress is usually linked to your Facebook account, Google Play account on Android, or Game Center account on iPhone. If your old farm was connected to one of these accounts, sign in using the same account that was previously linked to your game process. If only have your player ID and no longer have access to the connected account, you'll need to contact Zynga support and provide your player ID so they can help recover your farm. Once your account has been restored, open the game again and your save progress should sync automatically to your phone. And that's it. That's how you can sign in to your Farmville 2 Country Escape using your player ID on your phone. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.